fresh preference file. Okay, so okay lang yun. And also, yung counterparty task manager, which is the activity monitor, you can force quit yung app doon, and then you can force quit the item number 2, CF Pref SD, to reset all the settings ng mga app na nag-lag, nagka-crash, or nag-freeze. Okay, so yun lang naman siya. Troubleshooting your ano. Of course, you can check the extension as well. Verify app resources support. Verify if it's compatible with Hashera and Mojave. Pero usually kapag compatible with Hashera, kaya ni Mojave pa yan. Okay? Move or rename the preferences and delete these files. No? Again, these are temporary files that can be recreated by the app when you relaunch. So yun yung sa app and app extensions. Helpful ba yung signing? So mas madali, di ba? Okay. So ilang slide na lang. Oh, less than 30 slides na lang. Mabilis na lang to. Because some of them, full discussion na lang. Kasi I know you cannot manage talaga your own network. Pero at least you have the knowledge on how network is configured on a Mac. Ito po ang network concept sa Mac. I believe medyo may ano na kayo dyan. May idea na kayo dyan. So MAC address is media access control. Per interface, may sarili siyang MAC address. Si Bluetooth, si Wi-Fi, si Ethernet, may MAC address yan. It can be considered as your fingerprint, something unique sa'yo. IP address or Internet Protocol address, alam na rin natin yan. It can be siguro described as your home address. Subnet mask can be your country or your city. And router address can be your airport. Kung saan ka, kung ano yung means of transportation mo or communication mo, papunta sa lugar na yun or to contact another computer doon. So parang sa internet lang na. Next, TCP protocol. By the way, on a Mac, baka mapapansin nyo later pag pinabuksan ko yung network preferences, merong TCP/IP. Pinagsama na kasi sila. IP address, siya yung bahala sa address mo. Si TCP ang bahala sa data. In short, para siyang si NBC or Air21. Diba? Asa kanya na yung package, asa kanya pa yung address mo. That's why na di-deliver niya yung data mo. So kaya TCP and IP protocol na siya. Pinagsama na yun. DNS, Domain Name System. DNS, pampadali ng buhay dahil imbis na kabisaduhin mo yung IP address ni Facebook, pinatype mo facebook.com na lang. Para siyang phone book sa phone mo. Hindi mo naman kabisado lahat ng 11-digit number ng tropa mo eh. So you put their names. Ganun nag-work si DNS. And lastly, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol or DHCP. Yan po ang nagbibigay ng IP address. So parang ganito. Sa room na to, ako ang DHCP host. Nag-prepare ako ng sham na IP address. Eh hindi umaten sila Miss Jackie at Sir Paul. So meron pa akong dalawang extra IP address. Pag may nag-join sa atin, pwede sila pa-open dyan. Okay? Ganun lang naman siya. Pero pag naubos na yung IP address ko, pwede pa rin silang sumali as long as they can provide their own MAC. Ang tawag doon, self-assigned IP. Kaya kasing mag-assign ni MAC ng IP address sa sarili niya. Para lang makapag-communicate siya via local network lang.
Pero walang internet.
Opo.
Yung 169.
Yeah, na-try na pala. Yun yung 169.254. Connected ka sa network, pero wala kang internet. Yun yung naka-exclamation point. Okay? Ayan, yung signature. Ayan, pag sa trackpad, para ka nag-NBI. Okay. So here's how LAN works. I think medyo familiar na kayo dyan. So if you're on the same subnet, LAN na yun. Like here. Hindi ko na i-discuss kung paano mag-compute ng subnet. Pero these two computers are on the same subnet. So parang ganito yan. Sabi ko ang subnet parang country. They're both in the Philippines. Kaya nagko-communicate sila. Okay? Yung isang diagram, it's called wireless LAN or wide area network. One pala, sorry, not wireless LAN. On this diagram, let's say for example, the one on the left, Philippines, the one on the right, Singapore. Kasi magkaiba silang subnet eh. So, pupunta kang NAIA sa router mo, kaya ang tawag sa router ni Apple airport eh. Kasi it sends data eh. And then fly to Changi Airport, router ni Singapore, and then para makapunta ka sa friend mo or to send data. Kapag wide area network, router to router na ang nag-usap. Pero pag LAN, device to device, IP to IP na sila. Peer to halos peer to peer lang din. Next, domain name system. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Papadali ng buhay. Hindi mo na kabisado lahat ng IP ng website na pinupuntahan mo. In fact, sa buong mundo, maraming domain servers. Kapag tinanong mo kung sino si pretendco.com, si facebook.com, or si apple.com, your DNS server, actually meron dito, it's provided na kagad. May mga local DNS server na sa Philippines. It will contact all the root servers. Do you know .com domain? Yes. Ipo-point nga ako sa mga DNS servers ng .com and so on. So para nagtatanong-tanong sila. Marami pong DNS server. The most popular DNS server is 8.8.8.8. Yun yung mga pinakonfigure lalo kapag home wifi, yung mga DNS nila. Ang tanong, paano kung marami ang DNS, sino una magre-respond? The closest. Kung sino yung una nakatanggap ng request, siya yung magbibigay nung okay, www.pretendca.com, ito na siya. Ang tawag dyan, lookup. If you provide the domain name, it resolve to an IP address, lookup ang tawag doon. Siguro demo ko na lang si Network Utility. Ito po si Network Utility. If you also want to, pwede nyo gawin, maglo-look up ako. Since merong DNS sa network natin, i-check ko kung anong IP address ni Facebook.com. Ayan. So if I open Safari, ito, Safari, copy-paste ko na lang to. If you want, sa inyo, you can open Safari, type nyo to. 157.240.15.35. Tignan nyo. It should. IP ilalagay ko It should go to Facebook. Yeah, medyo mabagal naman po. Di ba? Ang tawag dyan, lookup. You give the domain, it resolve to an IP address. Sir, anong tawag dun sa You give the IP, it will resolve to the domain. Reverse lookup lang siya. Ayan, facebook.com pa rin siya. Okay? So that's how DNS or domain name system works. Good? DHCP, ito nga. For example, I'm the host. Ang DHCP server, it gives you the rent for an IP address. At kapag may IP address ka, meron kang internet. Tama? Ito yung sinabi kanina ni sir, na self-assign. Kapag ang IP address mo, 169.254, self-assigned IP yun. Meaning you're connected to the network, but you don't have internet connection. But you can still communicate locally. Okay? Okay. Next, everyone open system preferences. Open nyo lang yung network preference.